Extracting extension from filename in Python. Is there a function to extract the extension from a filename?
Use os.path.splitext. Unlike most manual string splitting attempts, os.path.splitext will correctly treat /a/b.cd as having no extension instead of having extension.cd, and it will treat .bash as having no extension instead of having extension.bash.
New in version 3.4. I'm surprised no one has mentioned pathlib yet. Pathlib is awesome.
To get only the text of the extension, without the dot.